Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Welcome to WIG Wednesday. Okay, and I'll be reviewing this cutie here. It's the Million Twist Wavy Wig. And these are not braids, they're twists. I just got it like this in the back. Okay, let me show you. I got it from Amazon several years ago. So let me show you the wig cap construction. It has a lace part. I already got powder in the part. And it has a comb at each temple. Here and here. And it has a comb. Do I have a comb in the back? Yeah, comb in the back with the tag. Along with two adjustable straps which have come loose again. And this is from, who is this from? It's a shake and go wig from, I think it's Freetress Equal. It says shake and go on this tag. Anyway. And full cap. Okay. I turn it this way and then fix these adjustable straps. I used to cut all these straps off, y'all. But I stopped doing that. Okay, I'm gonna put on my wig grip. Somebody asked me where I get my wig grips. I get everything from Amazon, and I get whatever is on sale or whatever is offering, like 3 for the price of 1. I mean, it don't matter. This is one that don't have the lace. This one has the lace, but it don't matter. I just buy them. It was kind of cheap. I'll get it. Okay. I'm gonna wear a center part. I usually don't. Put this back some. I got this little ignet. I'll do something with my hair. I'm twisting it. Then I'm going to tuck it under. It still might be a hump in the back. I'm just going to tuck this under as much as possible. Okay, let me straighten. I'm so smart, I forgot the wig grip. You get to be my age and you're gonna forget some stuff too. Watch. Okay. Let me pull it up a little. Come on now. You know what? I think I'm going to put some powder right there on the wig grip, on the lace. Let me bring no mirror in here. Okay. That's a lot of hair. It's gotten cold here again, so I'm wearing this wig. I wouldn't wear it in the dead summertime. 90-degree weather. Trying to see, do I want to attach these combs? Let me pull this wig down. Adjust this bun. Push it to the side. I'm going to do this side. Okay, I'm going to flip this little ponytail a couple times so to make these twists a little. Let's see if they're good. Okay, straighten it out. And I'll turn around and let y'all see. I forgot how long this is. Maybe 26, 28 inches. I've reviewed this before. And I have another one that's straight. You got the straight twist. Well, this may be the straight one and I braided it. I'm not sure, but I do have a wavy one and a straight one. Okay, I should have brought my mirror. It ain't straight. Some powder right there. Okay, this is all I'm going to do to it. Okay, this is my review of the wavy or curly million twist wig. So I'm going to turn so you can see. Side. Back. And it's big head friendly. Other side. Okay. So I will put the link to this wig. I guess Amazon still has it, but I'll put the correct name, if I didn't say it right, in my description box, in case you're interested in finding something like this. And I mean, you can make a lot of different styles. I can braid these, I can wear it to the part to the left side or the right side, or I can just let it all hang. But y'all know I don't want nothing hitting my face. So I ain't got no, I don't have no card to put up for my thumbnail. So I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye.